Number 1. 1967 Chevrolet C10 Custom, 5,500 Maiden, North Carolina. This 1967 Chevrolet C10 Custom is a promising restoration candidate featuring a strong 350 cubic inch V8 paired with a Street Fighter 3-speed automatic transmission. The truck has a clean North Carolina title and only needs tires, a battery, bed repairs, and some additional finishing work before returning to the road. Minor rust is present, but the drivetrain provides a solid foundation for a dependable classic pickup. The 1967 model is especially desirable because it introduced Chevrolet's iconic second-generation C-Series styling, making it a favorite among collectors and custom builders. Number 2. 1978 Chevrolet K10 Scottsdale Stepside Shortbed, $7,400, Bostic, North Carolina. This 1978 Chevrolet K10 Scottsdale combines a desirable shortbed stepside body with four-wheel drive and a dependable 350 cubic inch small block V8. Equipped with a suspension lift and good tires, it serves well as a hunting, farm, or trail truck. While the body has significant rust, the seller states the frame remains solid, which is far more important for long-term restoration potential. Square-body Chevrolet trucks continue to enjoy tremendous collector demand, especially rare four-wheel drive shortbed models. Number 3. 1959 Chevrolet Apache, $7,700, Jacksonville, Florida. This 1959 Chevrolet Apache presents very well cosmetically with attractive paint, a clean interior, a solid frame, and appealing wheels and tires. Powered by a V8 engine with an automatic transmission, the truck currently cranks but does not start without starting fluid, indicating that the fuel or ignition system likely requires attention. Structurally, the body appears solid despite some rust, making it a worthwhile project rather than a complete restoration challenge. The Chevrolet Apache remains one of the most recognizable and collectible pickups from the late 1950s. Number 4. 1978 Chevrolet 3500 heavy-duty stake bed dump truck, $3,200, Jackson, Ohio. This 1978 Chevrolet one-ton dump truck is a practical heavy-duty work vehicle equipped with a hydraulic power takeoff dump bed and a durable stake body, featuring a heavy plastic liner for hauling gravel, sand, or other materials. Powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 and a 4-speed manual transmission, it reportedly runs, pulls, and dumps well. Recent upgrades include a new battery and starter, while the decent tires add immediate usability. Trucks like this remain valuable for farms, landscaping businesses, and collectors seeking functional vintage commercial equipment. Number 5. 1973 International Flatbed, $8,250, Irwin, Tennessee. Although listed as a Volvo, the seller confirms this is actually a 1973 International pickup equipped with a 5-liter V8 and a floor-shifted 3-speed manual transmission. Described as being in very good condition with a clean history, it offers a unique alternative to the more common Ford and Chevrolet classics. International trucks are known for their heavy-duty construction and rugged dependability, making them increasingly popular among collectors who appreciate uncommon American work trucks. Number 6. 1973 Ford F100 Custom, $2,500, Cedartown, Georgia. This 1973 Ford F100 Custom represents an affordable entry into the classic truck hobby. While the seller provides limited details, the truck is described as a running vehicle being sold due to relocation. With its attractive green exterior and matching interior, along with a clean history, it offers a solid foundation for restoration or casual weekend use. Early 1970s Ford pickups remained popular because of their straightforward mechanical design and wide availability of replacement parts. Number 7. 1980 Chevrolet K10 Long Bed, $10,000, Unionville, Tennessee. This 1980 Chevrolet K10 has received extensive mechanical upgrades, making it one of the strongest drivers in this group. It features a freshly built 350 cubic inch 4-bolt main V8, new aluminum radiator, rough country suspension components, 35-inch tires, modern heating and air conditioning system, and refreshed interior. The seller reports that the 4-wheel drive system operates correctly and the truck runs and drives very well. Well-built K10 pickups continue to rise in value because they combine classic styling with exceptional off-road capability. Number 8. 1978 Ford F250 Heavy-Duty Long Bed, $7,000, Afton, Virginia. This 1978 Ford F250 4-wheel drive flatbed is built for serious work thanks to its 460 cubic inch V8, featuring a recreational vehicle camshaft, fender well headers, and a C6 automatic transmission equipped with a towing shift kit. The truck is currently inspected and road ready, with the only reported issue being a non-functioning fuel gauge. Heavy-duty Ford trucks from this era are highly respected for their durability and remain popular among towing enthusiasts and collectors alike. Number 9. 1964 Chevrolet C10 Stepside, $7,500, Talbot, Tennessee. This 1964 Chevrolet C10 Stepside has been upgraded with a 350 cubic inch small block V8 and a turbo hydromatic 350 automatic transmission fitted with a 2,700 stall torque converter that was installed only about 900 miles ago. Serving as a daily driver, the truck runs, drives, and stops reliably, although the turn signals, fuel gauge, and brakes require some attention. With only 2 owners and a clean title, it offers an attractive combination of usability and classic appeal. The Stepside body style remains one of Chevrolet's most iconic pickup designs. Number 10. 1970 Ford Pickup, $4,700, Glasgow, Kentucky. This 1970 Ford pickup has already received numerous mechanical improvements, including a rebuilt carburetor, upgraded radiator, water pump, brakes, suspension components, fuel pump, and a new windshield. Powered by a 360 cubic inch V8 and a 4-speed manual transmission, it provides a dependable platform for someone seeking an affordable vintage truck. Trucks that have already undergone extensive maintenance typically require far less immediate investment than untouched project vehicles. Number 11. 1977 Chevrolet Shortbed 4-wheel drive, $4,750, Winchester, Virginia. This rare sea mist green 1977 Chevrolet Shortbed 4-wheel drive has been parked for approximately 20 years and now awaits a complete mechanical restoration. Powered by a 350 cubic inch V8 and automatic transmission, it represents an increasingly difficult configuration to find, especially in its original factory color. Although the truck will require a comprehensive overhaul, original short-bed four-wheel drive, square body models continue to attract strong interest from restorers because of their long-term collectible value. Number 12. 1959 Dodge D100 Sweptline, $7,000, Colorado Springs, Colorado. This 1959 Dodge D100 Sweptline is a rare and character-filled farm truck powered by the original 318 cubic inch Poly V8 with its factory 2-barrel carburetor and 3-speed column-shifted manual transmission. It recently stopped running after a distributor replacement and now simply needs proper ignition timing to become operational again. Rust is present in the floors and cab steps, but replacement patch panels and a brand new 4-barrel intake manifold are included. Sweptline Dodge pickups have developed a loyal collector following because they are considerably less common than comparable Ford and Chevrolet trucks. Number 13. 1968 Ford F100, $8,500, Santa Fe, New Mexico. This 1968 Ford F100 is a straightforward, honest classic powered by a 360 cubic inch V8 and a 4-speed manual transmission. The seller reports that it runs exceptionally well and has very little rust, making it a strong candidate for either preservation or light restoration. Rust-free examples from the American Southwest are becoming increasingly desirable because they typically require far less bodywork than trucks from wetter climates. Number 14. 1959 Chevrolet Apache 3200, $8,500, Texline, Texas. This mostly original 1959 Chevrolet Apache 3200 retains its dependable 235 cubic inch inline 6-engine and 4-speed manual transmission. The truck runs and drives but requires brake work before regular road use. Cosmetic rust is limited mainly to the cab corners and driver's side kick panel, while the floors remain impressively solid for a truck approaching 70 years of age. Original Apache pickups continue to attract collectors because they preserve Chevrolet's classic late 1950s styling and durable engineering. Number 15. 1987 Ford F250 Heavy-Duty Long Bed, $800, Lake George, Colorado. Offered at an extremely affordable price, this 1987 Ford F250 Heavy-Duty is best viewed as a restoration or parts project. The four-wheel drive truck is equipped with a 5.8-liter V8 and automatic transmission, but the engine appears to be seized. Additional issues include a leaking fuel tank and a bent drive shaft, although a replacement fuel tank is included. For experienced restorers, trucks like this can provide an inexpensive starting point thanks to the availability of replacement parts and strong aftermarket support. Number 16. 1987 GMC Sierra 2500 Regular Cab, $12,500, Belen, New Mexico. This 1987 GMC Sierra 2500 has been professionally modernized with a 6-liter LS V8 engine, a heavy-duty 4L80E automatic transmission, and a new Process 208 transfer case, creating an exceptionally capable and reliable classic truck. Additional upgrades include a new fuel system, 4-inch suspension lift, fresh weather stripping, and original rust-free bodywork that still wears its factory paint. The seller uses the truck regularly and reports that it runs and drives very well, with the air conditioning components included for future installation. For buyers seeking vintage styling with modern performance and reliability, this LS-powered Sierra is among the strongest offerings in this collection.